friends, welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. You guys are doing an amazing job. And in today's lecture, we're going to talk about reading comprehension. So I brought some new sight words and a new family. We have talked so far about at family and an family. Today the new family is app family. And the sight words we're gonna work on is, let me show you here. So our today's sight words are they. In our previous video, we talked about this sight word. This was the. T-H-E. The. And this sight word is they. When you have a Y at the end, it is they. T-H-E-Y. They. The second word is are. We have done this sight word before. Are. The third one here is and. And. This is a new sight word here. She. Sh. S and H, whenever they come together, they make the sound of sh. Sh. S-H-E. She. She is used for girls. She is my friend. She has a pink bike. She likes to eat pizza. She. S-H-E. She. The next one is he. He. Look at this handsome boy. This is my friend Robin. So when I want to talk about him, I'm going to say he is my friend. He has a blue bike. He can run very fast. So he is used for boys. The next one is also the one we have done already, my. So in this video, we're going to work on 3 new sight words and 3 older sight words. I always prefer to add some older sight words and families so that kids can read those sight words or those family words by themselves and feel confident. SG classes has always promoted that it is not only important for us to learn how to read and write, but it is equally important for us to promote and encourage our children that they are doing an amazing job. They are very young and we want to work on building their confidence. Let's start reading. I am Tom. He is Pam. He has a cap. Pam has. This is a big word. If you can try and read it yourself, it's good. If not, then I would want to give you a hint here. Let's first try to read it. Blue. Pam has blue cap. I am Tom. He is Pam. He has a cap. Pam has blue cap. So what are the sight words here? I is a sight word. He is a sight word. Is a sight word. Has is a sight word. That's all. So I would highly recommend just take a pause here and let your child either say the spellings or try reading and writing it by himself or herself. It is very important to have a good grip on the sight words, because sight words are the words that make your kid feel confident while they are reading, because they do not have to join the sounds. They don't have to put any effort in trying to read. So they can easily memorize the sight word. I'm sure you guys have practiced by now. Let's go forward. She. Sh-I. She. This is another sight word here. She is my. We have talked about this. M-Y, my. R-A, ra. She is Myra. Some of us have a friend who has her name as Myra. She is Myra. She has a hat. Her. This is another sight word that has been done in previous videos. Her. Hat. Hat is red. Red. Look at here. Such a beautiful hat. I. Sight word. Like her hat. Hat. She is Myra. She has a hat. Her hat is red. I like her hat. So what are the sight words that we have discussed in this slide? The first one is she. The second one is. The third one here is has. The fourth one here is her. And the fifth one here is like. These are the 5 words that has been discussed in this slide. Please go ahead if you want to say this sight word again, or if you want to try and write it again. Let's go forward. This is the first sight word we discussed when we started this video. They. T-H-E-Y. They. You can pause the video here and say it a couple number of times. T-H-E-Y. They. They are my. A big word. Mommy is gonna help you on this word. It's completely okay to take her help. Friends. They are my friends. We run and have fun. We have caps. S means more than one. This is one friend and this is another. Whenever we have more than one, we write a S at the end. We have caps and hats. Hats. They are my friends. We run and have fun. We have caps and hats. words. Very good job. Let's circle all the sight words in this slide. Sight word number 1, they. Sight word number 2, are. Sight word number 3, my. Sight word number 4, we. And the last one here is have. Very good job. You guys all should pat your backs and raise your hands and shout with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! You all did an amazing job. I am so proud of you, friends. Thank you so very much for reading with me, watching my channel. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that next time when I upload a video, you all have information about it. See you soon. Bye-bye.